Hey, what's going on? This is Ed from Philly Speed 215, and today we're going to put together my motovlog helmet. Today, this is the piece that I've been waiting for from GoPro. The Pro 3.5mm mic adapter. I've been waiting for this. Finally came in today, so I'm going to install this with the GoPro Hero 7. And I got a purple Panda mic. Shout out to Chase on Two Wheels. He recommended this microphone. And I got a gift bag with all the parts to adjust your GoPro. So without further ado, let's get into installing this kit on my helmet. Alright, today we're gonna go over setting up this motovlog for my helmet. So we got the double-sided heavy-duty or industrial strength Velcro. We got the audio adapter by GoPro, which I waited like 2 months for. We have the microphone by Purple Panda. We have the arm for the GoPro, the actual GoPro, provided to us by Surewo. There's a whole bunch of pieces to make up the arms for the GoPro. You have the GoPro case and the actual GoPro, which is a Hero 7. So I went ahead and installed the bracket, and I took off the visor because I'm gonna have to take out all of the padding in the helmet. I already have my CNET 10S, so I already have that ran in here. So what I'm gonna have to do is take out all the padding and run the wiring for the microphone. Without further ado, let's get this install going. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is mount the GoPro to this bracket. I already arranged it. It came out the bag like this. So I left all the joints loose so I can adjust them. So I'll put the GoPro housing on here. Stick this in. There we go. Ooh, yes, thank you. Alright, so like I said, I stuck the adhesive on here already. I stuck this base on there already. So just slide this in. It ain't going nowhere. So what I do is put it like right there. Right there, a little lower. Let's see. And what I'm going to do is tighten up all these screws once I got it set in place, and I'm going to tighten up the screws so you can see it. You can see it. Boom. Alright, I already have the 10C on there already. So what I'm going to do now is mount the adapter to this side. Alright, what we're going to do now is I'm going to put the double-sided Velcro onto this. I got it from Staples, $4. The link will be in the description below. And everything that I'm using today, the link is going to be in the description below. So I already cut it to size. So what I want to do, put it on like this. Stick it in there. GoPro. I think I'm gonna mount it like right here. I'm gonna mount it right here. So what I'm first gonna do is put the Velcro on the back of here and see where I want to put it. maybe I'll put it right here. So, take this off. And I cut it the size with the scissors, so it should fit right on the back of this adapter piece. Come on, there we go, come on. Oh shoot. Damn. Now the Velcro act like it don't want to come off. I mean, the adhesive on the bag act like it don't want to come off. All right, take the Velcro, the adhesive on the back of the Velcro, and put it on the back of the adapter. So I'll probably put it right here. So let me take the Velcro off the back of this one. Here. Let's go right there. Right. So, boom, it's right there. And now I gotta take out the insides, take out all the inners. All the insides out. How's it up? Alright, so look on the inside here. This is where all the my center hardware and stuff is. So I'm gonna try to run the microphone for the adapter the same way. If you can see the microphone up here, that's where the microphone is, right there. If you can see it for the center, I'm gonna just mount this one for the adapter on this side over here. So, alright, you can cut it. Okay, I'm fully completed. All I have to do is just tighten up some things, but I mounted the adapter to the side. I'm gonna clean that up a little bit, and if you can see on the inside right here, that's where the microphone is. The center microphone is on this side. I did a couple of tests and it sounds pretty good. Sounds pretty good because I can hear it through my center. Like I said, all the links to everything that I put on here is going to be in the description below. Actually, I had to go in my center S and use the little adhesive part, this right here, along with the cloth, the little cloth part. So that's what it's sticking to inside the helmet. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. All I gotta do is put the visor back on.
my smoke visor. Yep, and this is my vlog setup. Yep, my first time. So I feel pretty proud about that. Yeah, it sounds really well. Yep. Okay, here you have it. I'm complete installed. It was a pain running all the wires on the inside, but I got it in there. Just took it through the side here, went through the trim all the way to the back and coiled it around. Same thing with my center 10S. The microphone is, let me turn on my light here on my phone so you can see it. Alright. That's where the microphone is, right there. And my center's on the other side. So, yep, I'm done. I love this thing. It's just, I had to use some parts from my center S to have it stick to the side here. Where's those two parts at? Oh yeah, they're right here. Alright, this piece right here, this is like the Velcro side. And then I got a piece this here. It's like cloth. And it sticks on top of that. So I stuck that, the Velcro side to the wall of the helmet. Then the cloth side I stuck to the wire and put on top of it. Boom. But yeah, I tested it and it sounds amazing. Amazing. Excuse the mess here. But yep. It all works fine. It all works fine. All the links will be in the description below for everything that I put on this camera. I mean everything I put on this motovlog helmet. So until next time, this is Ed with Philly Speed 215. Peace.